And sleep. Right?
How you feel for sad? Come here, say when me feel for sad. Say how you feel for sad.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kenisha Says. So today, as you can see the topic, we're talking about going back to school. I just want to know, are you guys like me where I have to make sure everything's prepared before the last minute? Like I start shopping from July, obviously it's in July now, and we need to make sure that everything is done before the 1st of August or the first week of August, so we just chill. I don't have to worry about anything, right? So that's basically what I'll be doing today. So I have already purchased a whole bunch of stuff for the kids. I'm actually in my daughter's bedroom right now, so I'll be showing you some of the stuff that I have purchased and I have received so far. I still have a couple stuff that I need to be receiving because earlier so every single thing was done online. Luckily this year, because my older son TJ had done online school most of last year and everything, so he have all his stuff that I had purchased last year. So luckily this year boy not grow much, so that's a one less expense. So all he needs are like undergarments or like some white t-shirts, underpants, socks, and all those good stuff. So I have already purchased his socks, and I have one of his in tights, underclothes tights, something that should be coming. And then the only thing I'm going to the store for, and I may take you guys when I'm ready to do so, I'm going to go by Walmart and get all those undergarments. So I need to get same thing for Tristan and the same thing for Tiffany. I have received some, but I just like white t-shirts and stuff like that I need to get for Tristan as well, along with the rest of the stuff that I'm going to be showing you. And for Tiffany, just some undershirt. So as you can see me, I'm telling you whatever because I'm home and I'm just chilling. I'm in no makeup, then pretty things today. Me just don't show you what may I show you. So it's not about no prettiness today. It's a chill day. Everybody's here chilling. The only thing I'll be doing, just like how me look, I'll be taking my son TJ to a basketball game that he has me. So drop him off downtown and come right back. Just like me telling already, me lazy and don't want, and just want to feel comfortable, right? So the only thing I put on for today was earring because I'm going downtown. But just like I'm going downtown shortly. So let's jump into the video. Alright, so the first thing I'll be showing you, this is, and some of them I have already opened them because I have to make sure so they fit and stuff, so I know what to send back, right? So this is a jacket, a winter jacket or a coat or whatever you want to call it. It's jacket, it's a winter jacket for Savannah, so you can see, right? And this was purchased from Carter's, right? So this is a new, I actually got this yesterday, so I had to buy. See how much money can I something there? But unfortunately, luckily, I never get to them. I not pay, I not pay that fee. So I got it less. It's a 40 jacket for Savannah. So I also received this yellow top. It says joy, right? So it's a tights and a blouse for her. They're all school stuff. And a packer mask for her. These are some shorts. I purchased most of her, all of her stuff except for that jacket on Old Navy. So they're 14. What I like about this is that it has a drawstring in there, So this is the same thing. Cute little shorts. I got her some undies. I haven't even pulled this yet to see if it could fit. These are 14. I should have to go back to yeah, this is perfect. I love this. This will hold our bottom in place, guys. The one I should have right now is I put them on next slipping in all different crevices and corners. Got her a lighter jacket, still warm, but a little lighter one for when fall kick in. I love this, but I tried this on her and it's a little bit too big. And then this is just for decoration because this doesn't work. But I love this. It's actually an entire suit, a two-piece set as well. I love this. You know, we live in a Connecticut, so we have to prepare for all weather. This is her backpack. You see how big? But it's so cute. Don't you like it? It's so cute. It comes with, you like it, mommy? So this comes with a backpack. Well, it's a backpack and a lunch bag, right? And when we see this, we tried it. It's so cute on her, but she's so big at the same time. But I had to get it big enough so it can hold her blanket, which I'm going to show you shortly. So I already put her water bottle. So this is from Amazon, purchased on Amazon, and then I got these from Target. So that's that from there, and the backpack has so many different zippers. I love it. See, it's so huge, spacious. Right? So spacious. So, you know, it has the pockets. I like the padding on here of the what do you call it? The straps. It has 2 pockets. And then inside, I went ahead and packed some stuff. So she got her umbrella, which, if you don't realize, it's like a unicorn theme that I'm going for. So the umbrella was also purchased on Amazon. I'm gonna open it up. Them say in Jamaica, they not open up umbrella not out, you know, get married. But me already married. Maybe you don't know. I believe that's true. Hey, baby. So.
Can I help you, mommy?
You wanna help me? Let me open it up so you can see the unicorn. I'm opening this up for you to see the outside of it. So the unicorn. You shouldn't realize that most of our bedroom are unicorn themed too. So yeah, that's the umbrella. And let it go, mommy. The umbrella also came with a raincoat. This came as a set. Isn't that cute? This is a little bit big for her, but we're gonna make it work. So she's starting school for the first time, guys. She's 2. They're taking her, so she's starting September 1st. Going to school for the first time. No more daycare, and she will be going to the attending the same school like her big brother Tristan. So she's going to pre-K 3. So that's the umbrella, that's the raincoat. And then I got her, I'm so excited. She loves this, by the way. This is like a sleeping bag type thing for her to have her nap time. Guys, look at this. This was also Amazon. Wait, no. This is Sky. She loves Sky. Look at that. Get up. So it has like a pillow thing right here. And it's all in one bedding. And then the blanket going there. So it would work. It would work like this. And she can sleep. Alright? Alright. So yeah, so that's it. Also got her some socks, some long socks to wear in the winter. These are cushion type socks. And all their shoes were purchased from Famous Footwear as well. So these Famous Footwear got two sets of those. This set, I haven't opened this yet, but this was from Amazon. So I didn't see anything unicorny, but this still goes to the theme of her bag and everything else. So I still went for that color. So this is a princess theme. She loved her little princess too. So this is, you know, a little hat, and then she got her little mittens right here and her scarf. Again, Connecticut cool. I have to be prepared for everything. So we have for like the winter stuff, and we have for the fall and the summer. All right, so that's most of her clothes stuff that I have received so far. I think Tristan just told me that we have some packages downstairs that just came, so we're going to check downstairs shortly to see what came. But I'm going to show you now her shoes. So these are her day-to-day shoes. She got 3 pairs of shoes, and you'll see why. Again, Connecticut. So these are her day-to-day shoes that she'll be wearing to school, obviously daily, right? So these are some what is Adidas? Yeah, some Adidas, and again, these were all purchased on Famous Footwear. These fit her so well as well. Then she got some Uggs when the place started getting cold, and some boots. Alright. At first I was tempted to get her pink, but I'm like, nah. Because pink is my favorite color, so I want to turn her into that too. But she does like lavender and pink too, just like me. So these are her Uggs for colder weather. And then this is an Oshkosh, but it was also purchased on Famous Footwear, and then she come like them reuse this bag so many times because it broke down. But these are now her snow boots to go to school when it's sunny. See how cute this is, right? I love it with the fur. It's cute, right, mommy?
Yes.
Alright, so that's it. Yeah, that's your shoes. All the stuff I have for her right now. I'm still waiting for a bunch of clothes for her. Guys, sidetrack. Did you know that Old Navy only allows you to purchase up to 50 items at once on their, I don't know if it's on the website itself, but I did the app. And I couldn't purchase everything all together, like for both Tristan and Tavania at the same time. I had to purchase Tristan's stuff first and then go back and purchase a bunch of stuff for Tavania. So I had to do 2 purchases in order to get everything, because once you go over 50 items, it'll just keep on giving you all kind of error message. I didn't know that until the other day, so that's crazy. If it's just me or this is something that you guys know, let me know. But if you never know before, you try, like, yeah, 50 items is a max. They don't allow you to purchase more than 50 items on their website, on their app. I don't know about the website, but I use the app. So that was crazy for me. So that was annoying. I had to take everything out and start all over because I was mixing up the items. I was putting Tristan and Tavania's stuff at the same time. So that was crazy. So we're gonna jump into Tristan's stuff. So let's go. All right, so we start off by color kind of look away, but these are black socks. These are black ankle socks, but they're also cushioned. I think I'm gonna get him some lighter ones. But these are black socks. They look green and light, but they're black socks. That was also Famous Footwear. Alright. This, again, just like Savannah owned, but this is Lightning McQueen. I don't think I have to pull that. It's the same exact thing. But these are gloves instead. Let me just put it back on, see. But these are for, well, obviously for Tristan, because Tristan's stuff we're going through, right? Tristan's theme is Among Us, what's the name? Or some game. So his bag is not here yet. It should be coming next week. So it's all black and red anyway. So Nana McQueen, the hat, he has gloves instead of mittens, and his scarf. Alright. And then he has some mask here. Tavania also has some of these coming in pink and stuff. These are like some Mickey Mouse character thing for him. He has some boxes here. These are all Old Navy boxes. And then he has some more socks. These are longer socks for the winter, also cushioned to wear with his winter boots as well, just like Tavania. Those are also, I mean, they're Nike socks, but they're also purchased from Famous Footwear. Alright. Now these are his pants, and I really love this pants. Isn't this cute? It's so like, I like it's actually active, like usable drawstrings, which is what I love, because most of them come like a decoration type thing, but this actually is active to use, and it's soft inside. So these are like for his colder days going to school. I love the details and everything on them. The foot, it's just so cute. I love it. This is like a formal, like a blue type color, so I love that. These are like some shorts, and again, all these are Old Navy, guys. So these are just some like shorts to wear underneath his clothes, underneath his pants, and depends on how the weather is. So it's a gray and yellow or neon type thing, and then this is a black and gray situation going on there. All right, Among Us. Told you about it. We soon go back to it. So more socks, water bottle. This was Target. This was Amazon. Among Us. So all right, so this is Among Us. So this is the covering for the umbrella. All right, and then this is the umbrella itself. So when Tristan a big picnic, I'm gonna get no raincoat for him. This has the umbrella, and the details are on the outside. It says shh. So let me show you the new Among Us. That's the name. Yes, you know. So his backpack is just like this. This was Amazon. His bag is also coming from Amazon. And this is the inside. This is how big it is. Then you bring them into this. No man, I'm putting the room. Let me just clean up your while ago and she come in here and come mess it up. And so I'm back over there, so it should be opening shortly. That just came from Famous Footwear, so we figure out which one of the shoes I'm coming at. Alright. Alright, so let's go back over here. So these are like tights, under tights. This is black, but the color again showing you like a gray type situation, but this is black and gray actually. See, there we go. All right, that's for underclothes again. This is similar. It's all black, and I have the shorts one for him as well. These are some more pants. Just sweatpants. It's a grayish type situation, blackish grayish. These are blue. I feel like they're gonna be a little bit bigger than him because he's so little, but I'll make it work. I love this. I love the details on this one. Again, still active drawstring. I love this so much. So cute. And then the rubber at the ankle. I love this so much. I love that. This, I love this shirt. It's like a hoodie, but it's short sleeve at the same time. This is navy blue. It says far out. So I love this. So cute. I love that. Alright, again, all them clothes them are all navy, so see them there. The baby blue situation here. This one's simple white. This is simple blue top for him. Black. I think I got almost all of Tristan's stuff. Some more, like maybe just a couple more shorts and stuff should be coming for him, but these are most of them. Because unfortunately, we wish they wear a uniform, but they don't. TJ is the only one that wears using uniforms, so it's easier for me to shop for him. But them, our Jamaican, they call it pretty clothes. It's on the top. Top here, pretty clothes. Them wear go to school. This, I didn't know that this was gonna come like this, but it's active when I didn't realize. So we're gonna make it work because I'm already buying. I'm not sending it back. So we're gonna make it happen. This is active. This is a long sleeve. Everything else that you saw so far was actually short sleeve. He loves this because he's a game head. The short sleeve, he says level up. And they're all size medium. He's a small, but we'll push him up to a medium because right now in a grow. And the medium and look this small and look too small panic now. So we push him up to a medium. So here's another yellow and blue top. We have another tights underneath. This is red and black or red or gray. It's another sweatpants. This is, I love this is white. This is not yellow. It looks yellowish, but it's white. So it's blue. I love this color. And the drawstring again work. So it's good. Then you have this one right here. It's so soft and nice. Again, active drawstring. This is another, it's a green one. I love this color too. Okay, let's see it close up. Active drawstring. This is just a short as well. And this is some more tops. It's a gray, white and black top, short sleeve. And the gray, I love this. I love the detail on this. Like you can fold it, it's folded at the bottom, and the material, this is just so unusual. And again, active drawstring, I love it. This is another shorts. Alright, and this is a top. Stay wild. That's all the stuff my back at me. All this bending when I so young as I feel. That's all the stuff that I've received in terms of clothing and stuff for him so far. I didn't purchase any jackets or coats or anything for him because he had a bunch of those. So I have his shoes now. Let's show you his shoes. This was a snowshoe that I bought for Tristan, and it's just a little bit too, like it fits, but it's like too exact. So I am going to be returning this, and because it can only be purchased online, I'm going to be going back to the store, get a refund, and I have already gone ahead online too and make the purchase for the other one to come. So this is a size 1, and the only other size up is a size 2. So I have gone ahead and made that purchase, and I'm going back today to get this returned. He hasn't received his day-to-day shoes yet. I haven't bought him any boots because he already had one. So I'll see if this is one of them will come, because there's a package here. Tristan! Okay, just put it down here. It's okay. Let's try this first since it's so small. This comes from, oh, this is Nike. Oh, so this is TJ stuff. Tight, so I'm not gonna buy anything guys. White type here is this. So guys, remember the video I made the other day, I'm telling some need a work. Well, your girl, go ahead and we go out there and we find myself a job. So this job, I will start very soon. But I'm just still try to make sure I get no video them as I have promised, right? So I purchased the shoes for myself, and that's what we'll be opening. So this is actually because I'll be doing a lot of walking. I'll be on the floor. It's something similar to what I used to do, which I think I'm going to enjoy more. So I bought me a pair of black Skechers. This is black. I don't know if it's showing so great, but it's black. Because I want something comfortable. Isn't this cute? I love this. Arch fit and all these good things. Wide fit. Supposed to be comfy walking all day. I love it. I never know I love it like this, but cute. I soon try it. But that is that. And then I bought myself some socks to go with it. And again, Famous Footwear, obviously. And then now these are some socks I purchased for Tavania. There are some ankle socks for her to wear her shoes. Alright guys, some more stuff came after I dropped my son and came back. This came. Okay, so this is it guys, and these look like additional stuff from I saw that Savannah should be getting more stuff. So here they are. So we're gonna go through these real quickly. This is a sweatpants for her. black sweatpants. So, see, black sweatpants. And this is a top. Or maybe top. I love colors. Rainbow type thing. Alright, so this is another jacket for her. Oh, but this one is like a thinner jacket that she can actually wear. So, see how cute this is? I love this. Say thick, but not so thick. It's thin, but not so thin. If that makes sense. So, it's a nice fall jacket. So, see the inside? So, yeah. And it's long, like, see the quality of it.
No, Mommy, no.
Long with a hoodie.
No.
So this is the spaghetti strap top.
Daddy!
It's pretty. I love this.
Daddy!
This is actually a short. Let me see if this comes in your day. Perfect. Coming with a two bigger than mine, but she have a piece of today. Her waist small, so this is perfect. So this is another shorts for the summer, because they'll be going back to school on September 1st, so that it's still summer here. So depending on how the weather is, they can still go light, and if it's not a little bit chilly, they have their jacket and stuff. So this is another top. So let's build a better world. We need to do that. So this is a nice pink top, short sleeve. I love that. Ooh, 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 look at this. That's beautiful. Alright, so this is a black, this is long sleeve top. Black and white heart. I love this. This is another sweatpants. You know, again for the New England weather. Soft material. And let's see. Ooh. Active drawstring, yeah. So that's good. Let's see. This is another. I feel like this is everything because the whole heap of clothes, and because our stuff is small. It's like Jesus, please. It's another top for her. Perfect looking. It looks so, it feels so soft. So soft. This is another top. Play, laugh, smile. This is another sweatpants right here. This is the details on this is what I love. I love this. Another sweatpants right here. So this is another long sleeve top for her. This is cute too. Oh, so this is a pack with 3 comes in there. 3 short sleeve. Love grows. I love these. Dance to the beach. Of your heart. Very some nice tops, and they're so soft. So this is another top. You know, 3 pieces. Egg hatchling, life of the sea turtle. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, okay? And if you reach so far in this video, just continue to put a thumbs up, alright? And like and share, please and thank you. The burgundy shorts. Well, this doesn't have any adjustable straps inside, but I mean, I don't think it's gonna be able to fit, but we'll keep it. The jean shorts, adjustable, so this is perfect. I love the details on it. A little perfect. Okay, so this is a set of 4 little mid-length leggings. They have the pinkish looking one. They have the
Your mouth is all fixed now.
white one, the gray, and then you have the it's another it's a mustard they call it sweatpants for her. Looks very long, but again, functional drawstring, so you draw it up, pull up your foot them. I'll make it work. But let's hope by the time she really needs this, she'll grow into it, because she's growing daily. So yeah. Alright, so this is another short sleeve top. Really cute. Depicting friendship, all races. Let's get together. Alright, so this is a short sleeve top as well, sunshine state of mind. Kind of have a high-low situation happening here. Material is so soft and nice. And you kind of have pull up sleeve. Hey, hot gonna road contact for. Alright, so this is another spaghetti strap top. And look at the back, guys. It's so cute. I love that. Yeah. So cute. Love the color. Guys, look at this. Look at this. This is so cute. The material, everything. So soft, but it's so big. And this again is for decoration, but this is so big. So more like a 5T situation happening, or just a size 5. Make sure someone says 40, but it's so big. Traditional, however, right now, but she shall still be keeping it. So cute. Alright guys, so look at this. This is the cardigan I was telling you. It is so thick. This is so beautiful. I can't get a road. And she touched school. I can't talk to her. Well, okay. See? So thick and nice with her little pockets. So guys, make sure to leave in the comments and let me know what you think so far. What you think about all my picks and everything that I have selected for her. All the picks. Old Navy or shoes them out of even including Tristan stuff. So let me know what you guys thinking so far. So this is a pack of 3 long sleeve shirts. They're really cute as well. This burgundy pattern, floral pattern. This is something similar to one of the short sleeves that she had. The type of color. This one is long sleeves. Come in a pack of 3, and then this deep red orange type thing. Guys, the material is so soft and nice. This is another top. It's like a greenish looking thing. Short sleeve as well. Guys, I love this. This baby blue Minnie Mouse. So cute, right? Alright, so guys, this is a yellow and white top. I think you saw this one too. The lavender looking one. So it's 2 of the same thing, just different colors. And then like similar, I like the cut. You see the cut on the side? Yeah, it's not just straight, it's like a little curve type thing. So it's the blue one to it, just plain pattern, no stripes on this one. So this is like a khaki brownish looking color. Short sleeve as well. This kind of look boyish to me now in person, but hey, she'll be rocking it the same way. Alright, so this right here is another sweatpants for her. Again, functional drawstring, so that's cute. That's good. It's the camouflage type shorts, functional drawstring, so she's good with that as well. This is a 3-piece set, so it comes with 1 shorts, functional drawstring, 1 shorts, but 2 tops to go with it. So that makes some sense. So they're just plain tops to go with those. 1 yellow, 1 pink. So these are a pack of the pack of 2, just full length leggings. I showed the short one before. These are long ones, and then this is another pack of 2. These are 2 black, so these can be worn like underneath her pants or sweatpants or whatever, not when it's getting cold, or she can wear it single, you know, depending on how the weather is. So that's 4 leggings right there, long leggings. This is another functional drawstring sweatpants. This one's a little bit thicker. Some of them are thin, some are a little bit thicker. So again, New England. And then this is another set of masks. Where I told you that she also has some PJ mask, or not PJ mask, Paw Patrol situation happening here with Sky. Alright. So I didn't purchase any like hair products for her, like hair accessories, only because she has a whole bunch that I mean, she wasn't wearing. They're brand new, they're still in packages and stuff. So all her hair accessories will be, you know, she don't need none. So the only thing I have left to get, as I said before, the, you know, undergarments and sanitizers. I need some sanitizers to attach to their school bags. So I'll be done. So I might get these by next week, and I'm done for school. Alright, so I'm gonna go check off to see if everything came. It'll get dark now when I lose the lights and everything. There's a pile of mess in the room right now because of me showing you all these. I'm gonna show you. Look what I'm doing. The work I'm gonna create just to make sure that you guys can see these things. The word that I have created for myself is crazy. So look on this. Just look on this. You see that? All these pile of clothes. Pack up. Everything on the floor now. So now I have to go clean up all this mess. See that? Along with Tavon and them over the corner, mess the whole place and stuff. But you see that? So you guys have to appreciate my contents, okay? Because of all this hard work that I'm putting out. And remember, I'm going to be working very soon, and I'll still be doing all of this with my tired body, just to make sure that you guys have something to watch, because I promise you every Sunday, okay? So remember, continue to watch and share and like the video. Show us and appreciate my hard work. Okay. Kenisha says for today is, basically, for me, I prefer to be prepared and not wait for last minute, especially if you're an online shopper. If you're an online shopper, you want to make sure that you purchase everything on time. So if you have anything that you need to return or anything that can't, you know, refund it or whatever, you don't want to wait on the last minute and then you can't get them because they're already sold out. Most time they have a bunch of sales going on now, so you want to get those sales as much as possible, again, before last minute. And if you're an in-store shopper, which I hate, too much people to deal with, but if you're an in-store shopper, you want to go in, because everybody, some people stay like me, but then just do it in the stores where they're going in and getting everything. So when you go, you just like get some like a pala something kind of last minute things. So you want to make sure you get everything all prepped and prepared for the kids to go to school, especially depending on the amount of kids that you have going to school. And if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. If it's your first time watching, thank you for coming over. Thank you as usual to my regular supporters. I appreciate you guys. Do not forget to like and share this video. Drop a comment and let me know how you guys do with school. You know, if you prepared like me or not. Alright, so until later. Bye.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say.